Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot: which bank has Venmo? Before we get into that, let's talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's really easy to use. You just need to download the app, create an account, and link your bank account. Now, let's get to the question at hand: which bank has Venmo? The answer is actually a bit complicated. Venmo doesn't have its own bank account. Instead, it partners with a few different banks to provide its services. So, which banks does Venmo partner with? The main bank that Venmo partners with is the Bancorp Bank. This is the bank that issues the Venmo debit card. In addition to the Bancorp Bank, Venmo also partners with a number of other banks, including Wells Fargo, JP Chase, Bank of America, Citibank. So, if you have a bank account with one of these banks, you can use Venmo. Now that you know which banks have Venmo, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Venmo. One of the biggest benefits of using Venmo is that it's really easy to use. You can simply enter the recipient's name or email address and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to your payment. Another benefit of Venmo is that it's secure. Venmo uses a number of security measures to protect your information, including encryption and two-factor authentication. Finally, Venmo is a great way to save money. You can earn cashback rewards when you use your Venmo card. So, if you're looking for an easy, secure, and affordable way to send and receive money, Venmo is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time.